Here I have Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'm going to show you how to check your battery health on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to download this Ampere app from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap no thank you, close, and here you can check your battery health. As you can see, my battery is in good condition because it's like new phone from the box, so it can't really be bad. So yeah, but you can download it for yourself and check your phone's health. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.